Doumit's reached twice with a walk in the second, then a single in the fourth. A drive to deep right field. Ryan Doumit sending it up and gone. A home run. Doumit's second of the year. And the Twins are on the board. It's 4-1. Or excuse me, 5-1.
And we were wondering whether that good at bat last time, line drive to left field for a base hit, might have gotten Ryan Doumit started a little bit. Certainly looks like maybe. That's the best swing he's had of the ball in some time. Good fastball, middle of the zone, keeps his head in there. That's where a left-hander likes the ball, right there, about mid-thigh high, inside middle.